Page 52, oral lead. Another lead sheet, or a sheet where we get to improvise, make stuff up. And on page 53, they're giving you another pattern for broken chords you can use in improvising. So I'll go through the process I normally use when I improvise, and let's see what we get here. It's important, first, we got to get the melody down. You want to get the melody down so it's pretty much automatic as best you can, because we need to spend most of our time focusing on the accompaniment. So here, it's one flat in here, so we're in the key of F major. Make sure you're doing the F major scale and all that, and the D minor scale too. It's got one flat, and it's here. Just make sure you can play all this melody okay. Not a problem until you get to measure 9. Now we're octave. And the measure 13, you want third finger here? That's fine, you can use fourth if you want, but third finger's fine because of the B flat. If you use fourth finger, you got a little finger on B flat. There's nothing wrong with it, you can do that, but third flat. So make sure you got this melody down okay, and then once I do the melody, then I'll go through and I check the chords, make sure I know the chords. We're starting with an F, I'm just going to play block chords here. Down here somewhere, I'll start here. And the next measure is a G chord. Remember, G major. I know there's a flat in the key signature, it doesn't matter, we're doing the chord, and the G major chord is that. And then a G minor chord, now we do the B flat. So the little m means minor. Major is not indicated, it's implied. So hit an F. Measure 9, we're here, and then we go to an A chord. Well, an A would be here, here, and then a B flat, and then an A, and F. So once I have the chords figured out, then I might think about, I don't want to move my hand around too much. So what happens in this third line? I go here to here, here. If I don't want to move that much, then I simply take these chords and I rearrange them a little bit. So I can put this E on the bottom here, here. So I can go from F to here. I'm not moving too much. If you can't fit up in here, you got to do that. And then for the B flat, again, I put the F on the bottom. I'm here. So the F is here, and then the A is here, and then the B flat is here. My hand stays pretty close to the spot. I'm not moving around. Okay. Then I put the hands together, and at first I just block chords here, here. F, and then here, and G minor. With the idea, let's go down to the third line. Measure 9, we're F, A, and B flat, A, and then F again, G minor. So I got the chords working okay with the melody. Now I got to do something with the chords, because this playing block chord is ugh. I play broken chords. Any pattern I want. It doesn't matter. They show one pattern on page 53 where you play the bottom note and 2 tops. If I do that, measure 9 here. You get the idea? That's one pattern. You'll have to use it. You can play up and down. That's 4 notes because it's the 4/4 time. Measure 9 is that. You do that pattern, mix them up. Maybe part of it you play one pattern, and part of it you play another pattern. It doesn't matter. It's entirely up to you and what you like to hear. You just maybe I play a half note and 2 quarter notes. Here. That's another pattern. Or maybe I change the pattern and go up instead of down. With that. It's entirely up to you. Maybe I don't play quarter notes and half note. Maybe I can change it up a bit more. It's entirely up to you and your imagination how you want to do it. That's what improvising is about. Just make it up. Over time, you'll build up a library of different patterns that you're getting used to, and you'll be able to use them just immediately. You know, without even practicing, you'll be able to just use them. It works out rather well. Let me know if you have any questions on these pages.